is Sun Qing with China Xinhua News Agency. I'm now here at National Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai, and this is the venue of 2025 International Industry Fair. And we can see this is a very big area expo and with a lot of robotics here. And I'm very happy today to be your guide today. So this is no ordinary event with a record-breaking 300,000 square meters of exhibition space. It has officially become one of the world's largest industry comprehensive exhibitions. So here you will find nearly 300 products making their global debut and that are redefining the future of industry. And the theme this year is Industry New Quality, Intelligent Manufacturing Without Borders. And now here it's in the Robotic Pavilion. You know that AI is unlocking a new chapter for robotics, creating unprecedented opportunities across the countless industry scenarios. So today we will get up close with humanoid robots working on production lines and witness the incredible strength of a heavy-duty robot that can lift a car, and also explore the seamless human-robot collaboration and see how global giants like ABB and KUKA are leveraging AI for smarter solutions. So if you are very interested about the future of manufacturing, let's go and explore this expo. Okay guys, so our first stop is Aston Automation. And we know that this year the humanoid robots has become a global focus. So we can see here the Aston has brought a production line where a group of humanoid robots are working as workers. And the robots are performing quality inspection and other jobs. So today we will explore this production line. And we are very happy today to invite the staff of Aston to join our live stream. Hello, very nice to see you. Could you please give us a brief introduction about yourself to our audience?
I'm Pan Fei from Tojo, the company.
Okay, and we know that the humanoid robot has become the cyber superstar in China this year. So could you give us a brief introduction about this production line over there?
On this inside demonstration, a dual-arm robot grabs the workpieces and scans them, while the other robot grip the two workpieces and fasten them into a single unit.
Let's take close to look at it. So what are they doing over there?
They are scanning and assembly.
So guys, you can see they are actually, the robots are picking up with some parts, material parts there, and they will precisely pick these parts and put it in the box, right? So, so how this production line will be used in the real world?
This robot can be deployed for specific industrial tasks, including workpiece grabbing, code scanning, and flexible assembly.
So what specific tasks can they be do in today's expo?
Aston pioneered humanoid robots in this task to address the limitations of traditional equipment in adapting to unstructured industrial environments. This application specifically aims to solve practical challenges like handling variable workpiece placement and complex, non-standardized operational scenarios that traditional setups struggle with.
Okay, so in your view, so what respective roles will humanoid robots and traditional robots arms play in the future of manufacturing?
Humanoid robots will take on flexible tasks in dynamic, unstructured manufacturing scenarios, while traditional robotic arms will continue to excel at high precision, repetitive operations in fixed, standardized flows. Their respective strengths will make them complementary in shaping the future of manufacturing.
And also in this embodied intelligence industry solution already commercially deployed. So if so, what has been the market response for this production line?
Currently, this embodied intelligence industrial solution has not yet been commercially deployed and it remains in the verification phase, a status that aligns with the current landscape of the industry. However, the solution holds highly promising market prospects driven by the rising demand for advanced intelligent industrial technologies.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for joining our live stream. Thank you. Okay guys, let's witness the superpower of CIIF, and we are very happy today to invite Market Director of Taifu Robotics.
Hi, hello everyone. Hello, I'm Kairos. I'm the Marketing Director of Taifu Robots.
Yeah. I just mentioned that it's actually the superpower today we see in this field. So could you give us a brief introduction about this robot arm?
Yes, absolutely. This is our the world first, our global launch, the heavy-duty robot, which is 5,000 kilo payload, and this is the world first one. And we break up the limits of the heavy-duty robot's payload as well as the reparability at the same time period. And at the on-site, we show the demonstration by using the Chinese automobile brand. It's called Xiaomi. The model is called Suqi Ultra. And actually, this is our on-site service team, the service car. We bring our service car to on-site. We using this service car to demonstrate the repeatability and the payload, as well as the all the results to show the robots have the excellent capability to show to the audience.
Okay, so what kind of scenarios can this robot being used in the real world?
So these robots can be using in a lot of different industries, such as the nuclear industry or road tunnel industry. Those industry, when they're using the automation, this kind of big robots, it can easily to remove all the cargo or items. Compared with the traditional ways, it can be a lot more faster and much more efficient to helping the customer to achieve their goals much quicker. So that is the goal for us to create this such a big robots, as well as the automation solutions to give the customers to saving their time and create the value.
Okay. And I can see that you have bring a lot of big stuff here. So could you give us a brief introduction about the highlights of this?
Yes, absolutely. So our booth about 600 square feet this year. So, and next to the 5,000 kilo heavy duty robots, we have our 3,000 kilo heavy duty robot payload. This is also the world first global launch, the energy storage battery pack cluster container workstation. Basically, this is the energy battery pack. This battery pack, by using the robots to load and unload from those plates to the container. This container combine inside of the container there's a lot of battery. This container consists of the battery. So this battery is used for nowadays it is used for those energy industry. It can save the power during the daytime, and then using the power let them out at say nighttime. It can save a lot of energy. Yes, save energy as well as the efficiency. Yes. Mm-hmm. So, and this battery pack is about 1,500 kilo, which is the standard weight for those energy battery pack, such as the company like Tesla. They also thinking about these solutions because the company like Tesla, they have a very large use for this energy battery pack. Okay. So we can help the company like Tesla to help them create more value and also saving the time by using the robots to moving the battery pack.
Okay. In the CIIF, we actually are talking more about the future industry, about the future of China's smart manufacturing. So how we can use all those robots to in the future industry? Do you have any view about that?
Yes, we have lots of industry cases, such as this scenario. We have two robots over there and one heavy-duty robot here. This is the automobile rim showcase. It can collect all the rims to the plate and then do the load and unload. This is the wonderful example to show how automobile rim how to move and to ship. So this is a case like the future intelligence about the robots cases.
Okay, cool. So do you have any expectations for attending the CIIF?
Yes, so we want to show our attitude about the automation solutions as well as our new products. We want to we want to share the happiness as well as currently the best knowledge shared to the audience.
Okay.
We also try a lot of directions, such as these robots. Now they are pretending playing the drum, musicians. So these three robots, they cooperate each other. They are not actually playing the musician. They are just a demonstration, because these robots, they are very accuracy.
Yeah.
By using this method, we can show to the audience how the robots can actually bring to their life closer. Also, it's showing the repeatability of the robots. So this demonstration not only for the normal general audience as well as the professional audience.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for joining our live stream.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so we will head into the Hall 8 and to see more technologies and products over there. Okay guys, we are now at the Hall 8 and we were heading to the ABB Robotics to find more technologies. What what you can see here is a very traditional China's musician. And today we're very happy to have the head of ABB Robotics China to join our live stream. Hello, Mr. Han. Very thank you to take our interview here at the CIIF. And you can say hello to our audience.
Hello, it's my pleasure to be interviewed at CIIF.
And the first thing we can see here is a very special Chinese musician here. So why we set such kind of scenario here in this expo?
Yeah, we have the time bio play. This robot is a 1090, which is very popular in the educational sector. So we want to use it to show the modern technology and the ancient Chinese culture come together in harmony. So as you can see, you can giving any piece of music, then this robot can play it out with a chain bell, which like 2,000 years history.
Wow, this feels magic when we hear that the modern robots that we're doing have the music from the Chinese traditional musician from 2,000 years ago. It's very magic feeling. Okay, so Mr. Han, what kind of new technologies have you bring to this fair? Do you have any China debut here?
Yeah, that's a lot. This year, we're bringing first. There's two large robots. So this one, we're showing a large robot designed for spot welding, the casting applications. It's one of our largest robot. The payload about 350 kg, accuracy up to 0.9 millimeter, and very special with this design is you can mount it on the top of machine, and the arm can extend downwards to grab the parts from machine. Then you save the space for easy deployment in a lot of industry. So this first introduced in China and being manufactured in our China mega factory as we speak. And we already received quite a bit of orders from my customer, from auto, from the metal processing industry. So we do think it's a really good product for us.
Yeah, quite cool. And do you have any plan to the future application for these robots for other companies in China?
Yeah, right. Now we're working with quite a few leading EV manufacturer, especially the ones using press casting process, right? And also we try to bring the iMotion, which is our AI-powered the motion and the vision package to couple with this machine to achieve some more complicated applications.
Yeah. Okay, and we know that ABB Robotics had developed the robot specially designed from Chinese team. So
yes.
Can we find out more robots about that?
Okay, this is the Scara. This is designed by a China team. So we took our original Scara, we call 920, then we localized it. All the drivetrain and even the ball screw are all from local suppliers. And as a result, this machine have a lighter weight and a faster speed, and also can last 15,000 hours. So we're very excited about this development, all done by my Chinese team in China.
So how about our Chinese team? Can you give us a brief introduction about them?
Sure, yeah, we start local R&D since 2005.
Yeah.
So after 20 years in China, now we have about 300 R&D people. Many of them are the domain expert and principal engineer in the field. We have what we call the full stack technology in China. In ABB Robotics, we have one design development center in Sweden, the other in China. So both have the full stack technology. Then China team more focused on the small robots, which have the biggest market in China.
Yeah. So is this kind of robots designed in China for China or for global?
Yeah, initially we were introduced in China, and as China is going global, right, and a lot of our customers are setting up their operations overseas. No doubt, this machine will go overseas. So we're in the process to get the UL and the other certification for other markets.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Han, in July, we have already met in the mega factory in
Yes.
Pudong, and
Yes.
we have the ceremony for the 3 robots, for the world debut of 3 robots, and we see that you have bring them here in this expo. So can we find more information about that?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you for joining our launching in July our mega factory. So one of the 3 we launched in July is this power, what we call the industrial cobot, right? And this is one. So this is coupled the collaboration robot with a high-speed application, which we found in industry. The speed up to 5.8 meters per second, and the accuracy is the top in the class. So in this time, in particular, we coupled it with our eye motion package, which is a vision processing capability we also launched today at CIF. So with this new functionality, we can have any brand of camera connect with our controller, and our controller can process the information and giving command to the robot for the movement. So we're very excited about this new development, iMotion, and these are one more step into what we call autonomous versatile robot, short for AVR, which is also a concept we revealed at the CIF today.
That's very cool. And actually, we know that the China's robot industry has undergoing high-speed development, especially recent years. So how do you view about the Chinese robot market? And do you have any other further investments in China?
Well, yeah, definitely China is the most competitive market for us, right? Now, China local company have more than 50% market. So we're definitely compete with them in the China market, while we also leverage the supply base here. So our relationship with our peers in China is more like the word they call the competition. One side we collaborate, right? The other side we will compete. We think that's a gym for us. We get fit in China so we can win in the global scale. And also this year, we have further investment in Shanghai into our mega factory. We moved the Nima Moto production line in, which can give us 60,000 units of motor, which goes into our robot. And also we start the most advanced painting operation in Shanghai. That's we leverage our expertise in the auto painting, coupled with the robot automation. We have our first painting robot factory. So
We are looking forward to seeing all those new achievements in the future. Thank you very much, Mr. Han. Thank you for joining our live stream. Now we were heading to the booth of Coupa over there. And this time, in this year, CIIF, Coupa have brought several solutions which focusing on how the human can work with robots. So we will come here and to find more information about this. And we are very happy today to invite the head of market of Coupa, China, here to join our live stream. And you can say hello to our audience.
Hi everyone, this is Kevin. I'm from Coupa Marketing Department, and welcome to Coupa booth.
Actually, we can see some of the workshop in this area. So could you give us a brief introduction about all these stations?
Okay, first let's take a look of our eco collaborative product. Eco is a kind of means collaborative and robots. It's a combined name. Why we call it eco? Because that means people can get closer to this eco. It's safer than our previous product. So please take a look. It's smaller and can hold a 7 kilogram the load, the heavy load. And you see it covered by a surface. Surface make it safer.
Yeah.
See, if you touch here, it's going to stop. Yeah. So that means make a safe working environment for our user.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me try. So if I touch this, okay. we can feel that if we touch this and the machine will stop quickly, so it will be quite safe for during the work. Okay.
Yeah. So you can see it's the eco in the different applications. Here is the polishing application here, and we can see other application like here, and this for the this for use for the vehicle light. Here, it's faster than human labor.
So how this vehicle work with the humans when they were doing in this station?
Oh, yeah, because you see this is smaller and very easy to move, so people can easy to put it everywhere in the factory. So maybe today we want to use it in this application, but tomorrow I can move it to other place.
Okay.
So that's why this design is smaller size. Yeah, but they can. If you change this part, you can make use it in different application. Yeah.
So when we were in the CIIF, I feel we are talking more about the future smart manufacturing. So do you think that's going to be very important for the humans to work with the robotic arms together in the future factories?
Yes, of course. Robot doesn't mean we will replace human labor. The future of the robot is that we have a good collaboration between human and robot. Just because we just need people has more different technology on robot, but we still the future we just have a good relation, a new relationship between the factory labor and robot.
Okay, so what we can see here, this robot arm can actually lift this big car. So could you give us a brief introduction about this one?
Yeah, this is a very famous robot, and it's our superstar robot, and called Titan. It can hold a vehicle on it. So this means it has a very, very high load. It can hold like 1.5 tons. So usually this kind of thing, this kind of robot is used for the automobiles and vehicle and even the airplane production. So they always use this kind of thing.
Okay, and over there, I already see about your slogan that's the AI empowered and all these stations. So is this also the new products that you bring to this affair?
Yeah. You see, I think you just mentioned what's the future scenario of in the factory. I think AI plus robot and human is a very important application in the future. And you see, with the help of AI, we can have a lot of the maybe new functions like that means we can get easy on our projects and with AI, because how we let this robot work, we use we need to use some like a computer or digital knowledge, but with AI they can help us to solve a lot of problems. Yeah. So
yes, actually we can see over there that the AI devices that we can like people can use our smart devices to control the applications, manufacturing in the factories, right?
Yes, more like we have the eyes on every robot, so we can know what happened to this robot and what happened in the others. So easy for people to manage all the production line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many times that you have been attend the CIIF? So do you have
this is my first time.
Your first time.
Yeah.
So do you have expectations for attending this fair?
Expectation. Yeah, I think we just like more company, more people to involve in the CIIF to show the future, what is the future of the industry, and to let more people, the future of the industrial revolution, or So
Yeah, that's very cool. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining our live stream.
You're welcome.
Okay. Guys, so how you feel after seeing all those technologies and products about today's live program? What I can feel from all those humanoid robots and collaborative partners to the super strong lifters and locally developed innovation. What I can feel is that the future of automation is diverse, intelligent, and incredible, exciting. So I think that's all for today's live program, and I'm very happy to have this tour with you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.